Good morning, students. Now we are going to find inverse of the matrix again. Inverse of the matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. So by Gauss-Jordan method, another method is Gauss-Jordan method. Find the inverse of the matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. So here you here let the matrix A equal to of order 2, 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. To find the inverse. Inverse means first let us take the matrix in the argument form A by or A slash I2. A slash I2. So here A slash I2. Now the matrix A is 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. I means unit matrix. Unit matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. Now our aim is to bring this unit matrix in this form. I2A. I2A inverse. A I2 is equal to I2A inverse. A I2 equal to I2 A inverse. Bring it in this form. Okay. So make the first matrix as unit matrix and the next one will be the inverse of the matrix. This method is known as Gauss-Jordan method. In the examination, if the method is mentioned, you should do the sums by that method only. Okay. Find the inverse of the matrix means you can do it either by determinant form or Gauss-Jordan method. But method is mentioned, you do it only by that method only. Okay. So first one is consider the given matrix A as 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. This is exercise number 1.2, second question. Second first one. Okay. Now applying Gauss-Jordan method. When you are applying Gauss-Jordan method, write it in the form of A slash I2. A slash I2. Now here you have A is 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2. I2 is the unit matrix. So unit matrix of order 2. Unit matrix of order 2. So write the matrix as 2 minus 1, 5 minus 2 and I2 as 1, 0, 0, 1. 1 minute, children. Now make this matrix A matrix as the unit matrix. So you will get the another matrix that is unit matrix becomes the inverse of the matrix. So write it in the form of A slash I2. Make the first matrix A as the unit matrix. Makes the first matrix as the unit matrix. So you will get the second matrix is inverse of the matrix. Okay, because AB equal to I means B is the inverse of A. So when you write out argument of A I2, that is make the first matrix as the unit matrix. So to make the first matrix as the unit matrix, the first element here is 2. Make this as 1. What can we do? Divide it, the first row by 2. So when you divide the first row means you divide all the elements by 2, not only one element. Okay, this is very, very important. So first divide the first element by 2, you will get 1. The next element minus 1. So minus 1 by 2. Next element, this row is also divided by 2. So 1 by 2. Then 0 by 2 is 0. So first divide the first row by 2 to make the first element as 1. Okay. So we'll get the first element. Next one is, the next element should be 0. The next element should be 0. So the next element is 0 means here the next element, to make the next element as 0, here you have 5, here 1. So multiply the first row by 5 and then subtract. So R2 minus 5R1. When you multiply the first row by 5, here you will get 5. So 5 minus 5 equal to 0. When you multiply here by 5, you will get minus 5 by 2. Correct? When you multiply by 5, you will get minus 5 by 2. Here you have 1 by 2. Here you have minus 1 by 2. Sorry. And then subtract here. Okay. Minus 5 by 2. Subtract from the second row. So minus 2 minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 minus of minus 5 by 2. Take LCM. LCM is 2. So 2 2s are 4 minus 4. Minus of minus, that becomes plus 5. So you will get here 1 by 2. Okay. The next one. R2 minus 5R1. So here multiply by 5 by 2. Subtract 0 minus 5 by 2. 0 minus 5 by 2. That is equal to minus 5 by 2. Then when you multiply by 5, you will get 0. So 1 minus 0 equal to 1. So the next element is 0. Then next, here I have done the rough work. Okay. Then next element, next one is, here you have all 1 by 2, 5 by 2, etc. So to avoid the fraction, multiply the second row by 2. Multiply the second row by 2. Okay. So when you multiply the second row by 2, you will get 0. Here 1 by 2 into 2, 1. Minus 5 by 2 into 2, you will get minus 5. 1 into 2, 2. The next one is here. Make this element as 0. Make this element as 0. For that, next element, to make, then they multiply by 2. Therefore, next one is to make the next elements here. So here you have 1, 0, 1, correct? So make this element as 0. Here you have, make it as 0. Here you have 1, here 0, here 1. Make this element as 0. This element as 0 means here you have minus 1 by 2. So R1 gives R1 plus 1 by 2 into R2. 1 by 2 into R2 means multiply the second row by 1 by 2. Multiply the second row by 1 by 2 and then add, because both are in the different signs. So add. When you add, you will get 1, 0, minus 2, 1. So here you have 1, 0, minus 2, 1. Okay. Now the first matrix is the unit matrix. The first matrix is unit matrix. Therefore, the second matrix is the inverse of A. So inverse of A equal to minus 2, 1, minus 5 by 2, 1. So first one, listen students, here so first one, write it in the form of A slash I2. A is the matrix, I2 is the unit matrix. Then make the first matrix as the unit matrix. You can do any operations, any calculations, make this as unit matrix. So when you make this as unit matrix, the second matrix will be the inverse of the matrix. So first one, make 2 as 1. To make 2 as 1, divide the first row by 2. When you divide the first row means divide each and every element in the first row. So when you divide each and every element in the first row, you will get this number. Okay. Then make the next row. The first element is 0. So to make the first element as 0, here you have 5. So multiply the previous row by 5. When you multiply the previous row by 5 means multiply each and every element in the first line by 5. Okay. So then subtract. When you subtract, you will get here 1, 0. Okay. Then next one, avoid this 1 by 2. Make this as 1. Multiply throughout by 2. Second row as, multiply the second row by 2. When you multiply the second row by 2, you will get second row as 0, 1, minus 5, 2. Now the 3 elements are okay. Then make the number minus 1 by 2 as 0. That means first row, second element as 0. We can multiply the second row by 1 by 2, then add, because here you have negative sign. Multiply the second row by 1 by 2, you will get positive sign. When you add, you will get 1. Okay. So then simplify. Okay. The second matrix is known as inverse of the matrix. Okay. So the inverse of the matrix is A inverse equal to minus 2, 1, 5, 2. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask me, because if the method is mentioned in the examination, find the inverse of the matrix, it may be asked under 3-mark question. So find the inverse of the matrix is asked. You do it only by this method. Okay. This is very, very important. Next one is same sum. Second Roman letter, second question. Again, find the inverse of the matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. Find the inverse of the matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. So here you have, next one is same question. Find the inverse of the matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. So here you have A equal to matrix of order 3. A is the matrix of order 3. So this is applying Gauss-Jordan method, same method. First write down the matrix A slash I3. I3 means unit matrix. Unit matrix third order of order 3. Unit matrix of order 3. So unit matrix of order 3 is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, because the first matrix is of order 3. Okay. If the first matrix is of order 2, write down unit matrix of order 2. The first matrix is of order 3, write down unit matrix is of order 3. Then same method, make some adjustments and make the first matrix as the unit matrix. So you will get the second matrix as the inverse of the matrix. Okay. Now listen, the first matrix is A1 minus 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 6, minus 2, minus 3. The first second one is unit matrix, write down slash. Then the first row, first element is 1, so keep it as it is. Then make the first element of the second row as 0, because unit matrix 0, and third row also 0. First element of second row and first element of the third row, make it as 0. So here to make the first element of the second row as 0, subtract R2 minus R1. So R2 minus R1. ரெண்டு ஸ்டெப்பையும் ஒரே இதுல ஸ்டெப்ல செஞ்சிரும். ரெண்டு இதையும் ஒரே ஸ்டெப்ல செய்யணும். நான் தனித்தனியா ஒன்று தனித்தனியா செஞ்சுக்கோ. ஓகே. So 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus of minus 1. இங்க நான் rough work எதுவும் போடல. If you want, you do the rough work in your notebook. Okay. 0 minus of minus 1. So minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 0 minus 0, 0. Then make the first element of the third row as 0. Here you have 6. So multiply the first row by 6. Then simplify. Multiply the first row by 6 and then simplify. Here you have so to make the third row as 0, here multiply the first row by 6 and then subtract. Okay. So multiply the first row by 6 and then subtract. So R3 minus 6R1. R3 is 6 minus 6R1. 6 into 1, 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. Here you have minus 2, minus 6. Already you have minus sign in the formula. Therefore, minus of minus becomes plus. Minus 2 plus 6 equal to 4. Next one is minus 3 minus 0. You will get minus 3. Next one is 0 minus 6. Multiply the first row by 6. Keep it in our mind. So 6 minus 6. Then next one is 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay. Then so make that 2 steps in the single step. Okay. Next one. So here you have 1, 0, 0. Here also you have 0. Make the remaining elements. Here you have 1. So make these elements as 0. Okay. So next one is make 4 as 0. To make 4 as 0, multiply the second row by 4. Then subtract. Multiply the second row by 4 and subtract. So the first row is as it is. Second row is also as it is. Third row, multiply the second row by 4 and then subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. Here next one is R3. R3 is 4. Here multiply by 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. Here minus 3. Minus of minus 4, that becomes plus 4. So minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Here you have minus 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 minus of minus minus 6 minus of minus 4, that becomes plus 4. So minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. Then 0 minus 4 minus 4. 1 minus 0, 1. Then make, so here you have 3 elements, 2 elements plus 1 elements are same. Then make these elements as 0. Okay. Therefore R1 gives R1 plus R2. R1 plus R2. When you add these two numbers, you will get 1, 0, 0 here. Here R1 plus R2. So add பண்ணு. Minus 1 plus 1, 0 ஆயிடும். இங்க add பண்ணும்போது minus 1. இங்க add பண்ணும்போது 0. இங்க add பண்ணும்போது 1. இங்க 0. Then next step, remaining steps are same. Next one is R1. Make this as 0. Minus 1 as 0. So make R1 and R3. Add R1 and R3. So when you add R1 and R3, you will get 1, 0, 0. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. 0 minus 2, minus 2. 1 minus 4, minus 3. Then 0. R1 plus R3. So 1 minus 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. Then simplify. Then R2. So lastly, you have only one element, minus 1. Make this as 0. Add R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3. When you simplify, you will get the unit matrix in the front part. Then the remaining element is the inverse of the element. So the inverse of the matrix is 2 minus 3 minus through minus 3, 1. Minus 3, minus 3, 1. Minus 2, minus 4, 1. Okay. So first one, Gauss-Jordan method is make some elementary adjustments and first write down the given matrix, then unit matrix, make some adjustments, make the first matrix as the unit matrix, and the remaining second matrix is the inverse of the first one. Okay, this is Gauss-Jordan method. If it is specified in the examination, you go through only by this method. Otherwise, you can do either by Gauss-Jordan method or adjoint method. Inverse of the matrix is given by determinant of A, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. You can use this formula if the method is not mentioned. Inverse of the matrix A inverse equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. But the method is mentioned, you go through only by this method. Okay. Then exercise number 1.3. Solve the linear equations by matrix method. Here in matrix method, you got three types. One is inversion method, inverse method. Second one is rank method. Third one is determinant method. You can solve linear equations. What is linear equations? Linear equations means it is the equation of degree 1. Equation of degree 1. So solve the linear equations. You already studied in the lower forms by many methods. Now we are going to solve the linear equations by matrix method. In matrix method, you have three types. One is inverse method. Next one is determinant method. Third one is rank method. Again, in the same procedure, the method is given. Solve the linear equations by inverse method means you go through only this method. Otherwise, you can do any method. Okay. So next exercise number 1.3. So 1.3. First question is 2x plus 5y equal to minus 2. X plus 2y equal to minus 3. So first one, we consider the matrix A as only the coefficient of x and y. The first equation, coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 5. So you have 2, 5. Then second equation, coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 2. So you have the second row, you have 1, 2. So you have a matrix A as 2, 5, 1, 2. Because here you have two unknowns, it will be 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, 2, 5, 1, 2. Then next one is X matrix. X is the variable. X matrix is the variable. Capital X represents a column matrix of the containing the variables. So X is equal to X, XY. Write it in the column wise. Then next one is B. B is the column matrix formed by the constants. So here the constants are minus 2 and minus 3. Write it in the column wise. B is the column matrix. So it is in the form of AX is equal to B. When you multiply the first row by the column, you will get 2x plus 5y equal to minus 2. Second row by the column, 1x plus 2y equal to minus 3, which gives this second equation. So first one, convert the equations in the form of matrix. That is AX is equal to B. Then you simplify, you will get X is equal to A inverse B. We go through them. How we will get X is equal to A inverse B. Here AX is equal to B. So pre-multiplying by A inverse, you will get A inverse AX is equal to A inverse B. But we know A inverse A is nothing but unit matrix I. So I into X is equal to A inverse B. Therefore, I into X is equal to X, A inverse B. You need not write down these steps, but keep it in your mind. X is equal to A inverse B. So we have to find out first one, A inverse. A inverse is the formula given by 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. You need not go by Gauss-Jordan method. That is very long procedure. So you can do it by this method here. So A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So first we have to find out determinant A value. Determinant A is equal to 2 2s are 4. minus 5. So 4 minus 5 equal to minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, determinant value is equal to minus 1. That means inverse exists. Okay, inverse exists. Then write down adjoint A. Adjoint A is interchange the elements in the principal diagonal, whereas in the principal diagonal here you have the same number, therefore 2, 2. Then change the sign of the off diagonal. Plus 5 becomes minus 5 and plus 1 becomes minus 1. Therefore, inverse of the matrix A inverse is equal to 1 by, determinant A is minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 into the adjoint matrix 2 minus 5 minus 1, 2. Bring this minus 1 inside the matrix. You will get minus 2 plus 5, 1 minus 2. Okay. Next one is simplify. So the matrix X is equal to, substitute in the formula, AX is equal to B. So X is equal to A into B. Sorry, A inverse into B. So X is equal to A inverse into B. So first write down inverse matrix A inverse. A inverse is equal to minus 2, 5, 1, minus 2. And B matrix. B matrix is minus 2, minus 3. Then multiply by matrix multiplication method. First row, first column, here you go only one column. Therefore, first row the column minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, 5 into minus 3 minus 15, which is nothing but minus 11. Then 1 into minus 2 minus 2, minus 2 into minus 3 plus 6, minus 2 plus 6, 4. Therefore, x value equal to minus 11, y value equal to 4. Therefore, solution set is minus 1, 4. Okay. Second question, mark it as homework. Same method, do it by yourself and show it to me. Some of the students not finish the work. சீக்கிரம் அவங்கெல்லாம் முடிச்சிரு, முடிக்காதவன் எனக்கு முடிச்சு அனுப்புறேன். இது எல்லாமே நான் மார்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம், ரெக்கார்ட் பண்றோம். ஓகேயா, ஒரு ரெஜிஸ்டர் ஃபார்ம் போட்டு நாங்க ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு வரோம். அதனால என்ன செய்றீங்க, முடிக்க 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 அனுப்பிச்சிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், solve the linear equations with 3 unknowns. Linear equations with 3 unknowns, x, y, z, by inverse method. The method is mentioned, do it only by that method only. So first one, again same method. Consider the matrix A as the coefficient of the equations. Coefficients means first equation, the coefficients are 2, 3, minus 1. Then second equation 1, 1, 1. Third equation 3 minus 1 minus 1. So let it be A. Then B is the column matrix formed by the constants 9, 9, minus 1. Then X is the matrix formed by the variables X, Y, Z, column matrix. Now this is in the form of AX is equal to B. So first write down A matrix, then X matrix equal to B matrix. So X is equal to A inverse B. Again same method. You need not do the steps in the examination. You keep it in your mind, but write down first A inverse, then B. So A inverse B. So our aim is to find A inverse. What is the formula A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So first to find out determinant A. Determinant A, how to find out? You know that. So do it by yourself, and the value of the determinant is equal to 16. 16 is not equal to 0, therefore inverse exists. Okay. Then next one is find the adjoint of A. Find the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, you can do it by any method, either round the corner elements, write on the remaining elements and simplify, similar to the previous exercise in exercise number 1.1, or you can go by the method given in your book. Okay. So when you simplify, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of 0, 4, minus 4, 4, 1, minus 11, 4 minus 3 minus 1. Then write down the adjoint matrix that gives 0, 4, 4, 4, 1, minus 3, minus 4, 11, 1. Then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Substitute the values. Now X is equal to A inverse B. Therefore, A inverse equal to 1 by 16 the matrix. Don't bring 1 by 16 inside the matrix. Keep as it is 1 by 16 into the matrix into B. Then perform matrix multiplication here. First row, one here you go only one column. So first row column 0, 4 9s are 36, 4 minus 1 minus 4, that is equal to 32. Then second row, the column 4 9s are 36, 1 into 9 9, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1, when you add you will get 48. Then third row, column wise, minus 4 into 9 minus 36, 11 into 9 99, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, therefore you will get 64. Okay. 64. Then divided the numbers by 16, 32 by 16, 2, 3, 4. So the corresponding values are x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 and z equal to 4. Therefore the solution set is 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then next one is, next the remaining sums. Second sum I will do it the next class. Here you have homework sums. Question number 3 and 4 are 2 by 2 matrix similar to the first question. Question number 5 is similar to the third question, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So do it by yourself and send it to me. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. So I will given you the equations also. In the first question, X, X is man's starting salary and Y is annual income. Man's starting salary is given and income is given. So X is man's starting salary and Y is annual income. Go through the sum and write on the equations. X plus 3Y equal to 19,800. Similarly, X plus 9Y equal to 23,400. Next one, time is given. That means men are working for X days and women are working for Y days. So convert the number of days into amount of work done by the men and done by the women. So bring it to the denominator. This you studied in 8th standard. Now, man work pandrathu, number of times convert into reverse form. X days means, for example, a person is working for 10 days means 1 day work is 1 by 10. This you studied in 8th standard. படிச்சிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் நான். 10 நாளைக்கு ஒருத்தன் வேலை செய்யறான்னு சொன்னோம்னா அவனுடைய amount of work in 1 day is 1 by 10. அதே மெத்தட்ல one amount of work done by a man is, அவன் வந்து X daysக்கு அவன் வேலை செய்யறான். கொஸ்டினை go through பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா எழுது. அப்போ ஒரு நாள் வந்து அவன் செஞ்ச ஒர்க் வந்து 1 by X. அதே போல 1 by Y. So simply put X and Y are in the denominators. So convert the equations into some other variable form. 4a plus 4b equal to 1 by 3, 2a plus 5b equal to 1 by 4. If you have doubt, you ask me, send it to me, messages or through WhatsApp you can ask. Okay. Then simplify and find out the values for a and b. This is very, very important question. Find the values for a and b. Okay. Then convert the values into x and y. Convert the values into x and y. That gives number of days worked by a man and number of days worked by a woman. You will get. Okay. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Okay. Next one is, fifth question is also homework. The prices of 3 commodities A, B, C are given. X, Y, Z. Mark 3 equations and then simplify similar to the next question. So up to this you finish it and send it to me. நிறைய பேர் வந்து முடிக்காம வச்சிருக்க எல்லாத்தையும் முடிச்சிடுறேன் முடிச்சுட்டு எனக்கு அப்பப்போ அனுப்பிச்சிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. இதில் நான் என்ன செய்கிறேன், இன்னைக்கு வந்து 25 மார்க்ஸுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தனியாக வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் அனுப்புகிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. அதே போல் 25 மார்க்ஸுக்கு டெஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அனுப்புகிறேன். அசைன்மெண்ட் கொஸ்டின், டெஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஒரு 192 பேஜஸ் தனியாக போட்டுக்கோ. மேக்ஸ் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்கில் எழுதாது, தனியாக ஒரு மேக்ஸ் நோட்டு 192 பேஜஸ் போட்டு அதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஹாஃப் வந்து அசைன்மெண்ட், செகண்ட் ஹாஃப் வந்து டெஸ்ட், ரெண்டாக பிரிச்சுக்கும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஹாஃப் அசைன்மெண்ட், செகண்ட் ஹாஃப் இஸ் டெஸ்ட். இந்த 25 மார்க்ஸுக்கு அசைன்மெண்ட்னு போட்டு என்ன செய்கிற, மண்டே டேட் போட்டு எனக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிடும். நீ முடிச்சு மண்டே டேட் போட்டு அனுப்பு. அதே போல் டெஸ்ட்டுன்னு போட்டு செகண்ட் ஹாஃபில் டெஸ்ட்டுன்னு போட்டு அதுவும் மண்டே டேட் போட்டு எனக்கு அனுப்புகிறேன். ஓகே, 25 மார்க்ஸுக்கு. இதுவும் 25 மார்க்ஸுக்கு உனக்கு இன்டர்னல் மார்க்ஸ் உண்டு, அது ஞாபகத்தில் வச்சுட்டு எழுதி அனுப்பு. கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்கு அப்பப்போ கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிவிட்டு என்ன டவுட் இருந்தாலும் எனக்கு அனுப்பு. நிறைய பேர் வந்து இதில் என்ன செய்கிற, எழுத மாட்டேங்கிற, எழுதி எனக்கு அனுப்பணும். நிறைய பேர் இன்னும் வரல, எனக்கு பாதி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் தான் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கீங்க. என்ன செய்கிற, குரூப்பில் அனுப்ப முடியாது, இண்டிவிஜுவலாக ப்ரைவேட்டாக அனுப்பு. ஓகேயா? அது இல்லாமல் லெஃப்ட் ஆகிற வேலை யாருக்குமே கிடையாது. வேற நம்பர் இருந்தால் அந்த நம்பரை இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணிட்டு இது லெஃப்ட் ஆகலாமே தவிர வேற எதுவுமே லெஃப்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது. அது லெஃப்ட் ஆகணும்னு சொன்னோம்னா கிளாஸ் ரூமில் அட்டண்டன்ஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஆப்சென்ட் ஆகிடும். அதையும் நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சில்ட்ரன்.